So what we're doing is we're gathering up all the people, and they're driving down there. They go to the start waypoint, then they're gonna hop that over the helo. This will be some pretty good shit, and we do have a blueberry. That's awkward. I don't know. Swoop! Oh, he fell. And woof! Nice, I got that on camera. Yep. Just haul ass. I don't know. Swoop! Oh shit! This is what I get for following Derek. Sends me right into a rock. Whichever's easier. Alright, then we'll do that one. Which one? Swoop! Oh, I hit a pole. That rock? I'll just try it from here. I don't even remember which rock it was. Too many rocks. Oh, yeah, it was this one. Swoop! Oh, take. Fuck. Dude, that's like 3 launch platforms. Oh, man. Alright, everybody meet up in one spot so I know how many people are in the camera view. Gotta make sure we include everybody. Whoop. Oh, almost perfect. I bent you over my bed. I need to get this out of the view.
Letting out C4.
That sign was in my camera view angle. Well, we're taking a group shot real quick, so come over here. It's like a street racing club. Park the helo right behind the dirt bikes. I keep calling them ATVs. That's what I'm stuck on. It's like a bike club. There we go. Alright, everybody look at me. Look at the camera. Turn around, whoever that is. There we go. Whoever has a laser, turn it off. It's driving my thing crazy. Somebody got a laser. It's a sniper. Okay. Alright. There we go. Alright, this is the crew for today. Ah, again with the light. There we go. This is the crew for the Insane Bike Club. That's perfect. Oh my god. And the video will start. Let's roll. Everybody knows which ramp we're going off of, right? Yeah. That was awesome. Good group teamwork. That was good. Oh, there's... Yeah, can we do that again, and this time I'll stay and watch all you guys jump over it? Oh, we got 2 angles. Alright. Who needs a bike? I can get you a bike. Oh, I lost my bike in the water. Balls. Too deep. Oh, it's like stuck there now. It's fucking stuck. It keeps exploding. Yeah, mine just blew up. Yeah, there you go. Airlift him to one. Make it go quicker. So what we got going now is I'm just gonna sit here in the water and watch these guys jump over it, hit the landing. I'm thinking right here would be a good spot. Well, let me over there. Oof. Yeah. I'm in a good spot for when the helo flies. Don't lose the helo. Ugh. I wish you didn't have a red laser thingy on that. It keeps freaking out my camera. We got a helo for airlift if you need one. Yeah, we can give him a ride.
Defend this objective.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to make a part 2 of this. We're already at 9 minutes. 10 minutes, actually.